Come test drive the 2017 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, compass, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.